and the Chief of Staff. Your Excellency, when I was Secretary to Government, I was both Secretary to Government and Chief of Staff. So now that office is split into two. Members of the State Executive Council, special advisors, the fresh, new, first-class king of Opportunity Kingdom, and member of the River State Council of Traditional Rulers, His Royal Majesty King Ateke Michael Tom, and your brother, the King of Omuma. Your Excellency, these two kings, they've been twin amongst them, the two of them. Chairman of Okra Divisional Council of Chiefs, and my fellow chiefs here present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, Your Excellency, you know, first, I want to thank you for who you are. You know, those who see you from far will never understand. But those of us who have had the opportunity to come close, when we see you, we see peace personified. Despite the madness out there, the calm of the Holy Spirit shows in your face. Thank you, Your Excellency. Indeed, a knight of Christ. Your Excellency, today you fulfilled your promise to the Okreka people when you came, when we were honoring our king. The powers vested in you as governor of Rivers State, you exercised it and you said you elevated him from second class to first class. Today, you have performed that ceremony. On behalf of the entire Wakreke nation and our Council of Chiefs, we say thank you very much. Thank you. Your Excellency, I will not end without saying that you have taught a lot of us a different lesson. That indeed, one can be calm in the face of madness. Those who sow the wind will reap the wild wind. You are sowing peace, you will reap peace. Your Excellency, close your two eyes and sleep. The Krekese nation will be with you any day, any time. Sooner than later, everybody will know who is who. We are proud that you are Nigerian son. And just like you, Ijaw people do what they do. They don't talk too much. Their own is action. And you're showing the action. And we thank God that you have able lieutenants who are standing with you all the way. And we count our children amongst them with you. And we thank you for drawing our children close to you. So this state belongs to all of us. This River State belongs to all of us. We elected you governor. The Supreme Court confirmed you governor, but it was God that chose you to be governor. One with God is majority. You are in majority. Our God in heaven will be with you. He will guide you. He will protect you. Shine on, Your Excellency. Thank you, and God bless you.
thank the good people, the Council of Chiefs that are here to support our new Majesty. Continue to give him the support. We are on a crossroad in our state when we all need to stand for what is right. It happens once in a lifetime. It's happening now. Be one of those people that will be in that cause to liberate and free our dear state. Strongly. But having the support of a peace-loving man like the Amayabo of Okochi, having the support of this wonderful Council of Chiefs, having the support of the great people of Rivers State, we will bring peace to our state. We will do those things that are right to develop our state. We will continue to consult. We will not act as dictators. We will act as people who knows that one day we will leave. And when we leave, the way we have acted will speak for us. We will not force people to talk good about us. Our legacy will be a signature for our life. I want to thank every one of you. Be strong. It's really good. Nothing is happening. A signature project, the dualization of El-rufai, who is in a more local government, and Omok Road for 80 billion. It will surprise you to know that this project, we're executing this project with savings that we've been doing in our IGR. We paid 50% upfront, which is over 40 billion today because of the issue of exchange rates. So we had to adjust it and seek ESCO approval and the balance. With what we have done, with the prudency of this administration, we will clear it without borrowing one kobo. That is administration. We don't make noise. It's only empty drum that makes noise. I'm very happy to perform this function this day. Amayabo, there is no power, there is no authority anywhere that can give you this title and make this pronouncement other than me. And I've made it here. You have all the powers as enshrined by the Constitution that we have used to create the law for chieftaincy that gave me every right to appoint you and to pronounce you. And that power I give to you to exercise as a majesty in Rivers State and in Kuchir Kingdom.
Okay. Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.